welcome to another video. This is PUC first year, that is 11th class mathematics video that we are going to do. The topic is trigonometry. So we have known the ratios and the functions and the cofunctions. Let's understand the measurement of an angle. So we have already discussed what is an angle. If there is a line, if there is another line, if this is line A, this is line B, how much should be B rotated from A is called the angle theta. Angle theta, what is the meaning of angle theta? How much should be B rotated towards its final position from A, that is called rotation. Yes to B na A in the rotate madre E position barutte, and that is only angle, right? How much it has to be rotated, that is only angle. Yes, tirugsbeku, that is only the angle, right? This is an angle. Angles are measured in what? Degrees. So angle are measured in what? Degrees. This is all we know. When we were in little, we have a protractor, right? It has a protractor. This protractor, this was 90 degrees, there was 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 120 degree, 150 degrees. So all this was there in the protractor, right? There was 30, 60, 90, right? These are all degrees were there when we were doing protractor. Using this, you drawn the triangle, you did all that in your class 11, sorry, 10th, 8th, 9th, 10th, right? Now, there is another measuring angle parameter. There is another parameter from how you can measure, that is called radians. Radians. What is radians? Radians, what is the meaning of radians? If you just understand that, you will understand quickly what is this all about. See here, I take 1 unit. 1 unit means 1 centimeter, 1 meter, anything. 1 unit, I'll take 1 unit circle, that is 1 unit radius circle. Did I get? Yes. How much is this radius? 1 unit. If I bend this, it will become something like this. If I bend this, it will become something like this. If I put this on the circumference of this, it will become something like this. This is 1 meter. I have bent like this. I put this on circumference. So this is 1 unit, a centimeter, meter, anything, 1 unit. So if I join this end of it, this theta, this measurement is called 1 radian. What did I do? Let's generalize. If you take radius of R, if you have a circle, if you take that radius R, bend into arc, and if you keep this over the circumference which creates an arc, and the angle subtended by this is called 1 radian. Artha aita? If you take radius R, you bend that and you put that on circumference. If you put that on circumference, this is called 1 radian. Which is called 1 radian. So let's draw another one. Let's take another R and let's take a circle. Now what we do? We bend this and we clear this. What is this now? 1 radian. This is called 1 radian. Now if I want to measure total angle of the circle, if I want to measure how much is the total angle that is in the circle, what I need to do? Again, I will take R, it will be something like this. If I do this, I'll get 1 more radian, right? Again, I will take R, I'll do 1 more this, I'll get 1 more radian, and some more of this, right? And some more of this. So if you just calculate it very properly, if you calculate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus some R, some extra R, right? If you calculate this is total angle of circle, isn't it? So if I calculate, this is also 1 radian, or some radians, okay? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and some radians. See, the total angle in circle, how much is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus some radians, because the 6 we have put on some extra has come. This is not R, it is extra has come. So I'll write 6 radians plus extra. from the extra radians is equal to total angle. Total angle in a circle is how many degrees? 360 degrees, right? So this extra is calculated by scientists, that is 0.28 r. So the total angle is 6.28 radians is 360 degrees. Have you heard 6.28 somewhere? Yes, we have heard. How much is that? See, 3.14 into 2 is 6.28. 3.14 into 2 is 6.28. 3.14 is how much? Pi into 2. So 2 pi means 6.28. So if I just set out here, 2 pi radians is 360 degree. That's it. 2 pi radians means 360 degree. How will we calculate? We took a radius of this. If we just figure out, there will be 6 arcs drawn and over some extra arc. It will be not one more arc, it is the extra arc. If you just take, you can draw yourself and do this, you will get 6 plus some extra arc. So 6 plus some extra arc is total how many degrees? 360 degrees. So 6.38 is how much? 2 pi. So 2 pi radians is how much? 360 degrees. Now, how much will be 180 degrees? How much will be 180 degree radians? 2 pi half, because half total is 6 r, 6.2 r. Half will be how much? 3.14 r, that is pi radians. Pi radians. So 180 degree means pi radians. 360 degree means how many radians? 2 pi radians. If it is 180 degree, how many radians? Pi radians. If it is 90 degree, how many radians? Pi by 2 radians. So how to convert from degree to radians? Just multiply. If it is 45 degree, just multiply with pi by 180. If it is a degree, just multiply with what? Pi by 180. So 45 is 45 fourths. So pi by 4 radians. If it is 60 degree, how much it will become? Pi by 180. That will become pi by 3. How much will be 30 degree? Calculate. How much? 32 radians. 32 radians. How much will be this radians? 30 into pi by 180. How much is that? Pi by 6. Did you know how to calculate? Just let me repeat in Kannada once. Just finish it off. See here, nodipa, yenilla kandro. If you take radius r, if you one circle na draw ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಈ radius r ನ bend ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಕೂಡ್ಸೋಣ. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಅವಾಗ ಈ ತರ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 1 ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು 1 ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಅದನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂಡ್ಸಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಏನದು 1 ರೇಡಿಯಸ್. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ತರ ಇದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ್ಸಿದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕೂಡ್ಸಿದ್ರೆ 1 2 ಈ ತರ 3 1 r 1 ರೇಡಿಯನ್. ಸೊ ಇದು r ಇದು r, ರೈಟ್? ಅದೇ ತರ ಇಡೀ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ನ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಇದು 6 ಇದು 6 ಇದು 6 ಇದು ಸಮ್ r, ಇದು ಫುಲ್ r ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ 0.28 r ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ಕಾಲ್ ಭಾಗಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ r ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಂಗಲ್ ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? ಎಷ್ಟು ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 6 ರೇಡಿಯನ್, 6.028 ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 6.028 ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? 360 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ 0.28 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? 2 ಪೈ. ಸೊ 2 ಪೈ ರೇಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? 360 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಪೈ ರೇಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? 180 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇಂದ ರೇಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಪೈ ಬೈ 180 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ. ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್? Is that simple? So if you do not understand anything of what is radius, how it is calculated, you can just forget that. One thing that is most important is how to convert from degree to radians. Just multiply by pi by 180, you will get into radians. Is that okay? Yes or no? Yes. If there is 30 degree, you can calculate. If there is 120 degree, can you calculate to radians? If it is 150 degree, can you calculate? Yes or no? Madbodala calculation? Yes. Okay. Once we know the angle, that is, see here, if I have angle here, if I have a line here, if I have another line here, how much would be rotated is angle? How much can you rotate? You can rotate 0, you can rotate to 90, you can rotate to 180, you can rotate to this much, and you can again only rotate 360 degree. If I take a line, it can be only rotate towards how much? 360 degree. So, if there are two lines, it can start from 0, it can go to 90, it can go to 180 degree, and it can go to 270 and 360 degree. This is how much you can rotate in a plane. Plane means whatever you're looking on the board is plane. Anything with a 2 dimension, that is length and breadth. There are only 2 dimensions. You cannot write a pyramid outside of here because there is no height here. Na? So whenever there is a plane, there will be only 2 dimensions. Length and breadth. Length and breadth. There are how many dimensions? 2 dimensions. If there are 2 dimensions in any of this, we call it as a 2D plane. So here we can consider as 2D plane. So in the 2D plane, there are only two dimensions, length and breadth. You can think about this. So if these lines are dividing the entire plane into quadrants, one line, two line is dividing entire frame into four quadrants. This is called first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. This much is understood? Yes. Now can you tell me what is there in the first quadrant? What is what? 0 to 90 degree. What is in the second quadrant? What is the limitation? From 90 to 180 degree. In the third quadrant, what do you see? 180 to 270. In the fourth quadrant, what do you see? 270 to 360 degree. These are the limitations in the quadrant, isn't it? Yes. And once you see here, everywhere 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, every time the increase of an angle is in anti-clock direction. Anti-clock direction. That means opposite of clock. Whenever you get a problem with that, just look at your watch. See that if it is going reverse. If it is going reverse, yes, it is positive. If it is going clockwise direction, here is negative. See here from 0, it is increasing in anti-clockwise direction. Okay. See here, the most important angles you should remember is 30, 45, 60. These three are most important. 30, 45, 60. 30, 45, 60. These are important. We start with the first quadrant. So, we start with what? 0. So, 0 plus 30 is how much? This is 30 degree line. If it is 0 plus 45 is how much? This is 45 line. Because it is increased 45 now. Again, 0 plus 60 is how much? This is 60 degree line. This is done. Again, this first quadrant is done. In the second quadrant, it starts from 90. So, I should start from here. Again, these three are again. 90 plus 30 is how much? 120. This is 120 degree line. 90 plus 45 is how much? 135 degree. This is an important line. 90 plus 60 is how much? 150 line. This is also important. Is that okay? Next. I'll go to the third quadrant. Third quadrant starts with what? 180. So 180 plus 30 is how much? 210. 180 plus 45 is how much? 225 degree. Again, 180 plus 60 is how much? 240 degree. Okay, this is done. Again, the fourth quadrant starts with 270. 270 plus 30 is how much? 300 degree. 270 plus 45 is how much? 315 degree. So 270 plus 60 is how much? 330 degree and 360. These are the most important angles. These are what? Most important angles. Again, let me explain you again what we did in Madhvi. We took a plane. Plane means length and breadth. Only length and breadth will be there. It converted into how many quadrants? 4 quadrants. 4 quadrants divided by 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? It is 0 degree we know. This is 90 degree we know. This is 180 degree we know. And this is 270 degree. And again this will be 360 degree. It will just rotating. Yes? Yes. Now, the important most angles. How do we know important most angles? That will be important most angles are 3 angles. What is that? 30, 45, 60. 30, 45, 60. 30, 45, 60. These are most important angles. 30, 45, 60 are most important angles. So, it just adds 0 plus 30, 30. 0 plus 45, 45. 0 plus 60, 60 degree. First quadrant's important angles are done. Second quadrant's important angles are 90 in the start one. 90 plus 30 is how much? 120. Again, 90 plus 60 is how much? 150. 90 plus 60 is how much? 150. The same way, 180 plus 30, 180 plus 45, 180 plus 60. Well, important most angles. Is that okay? You could draw important angles. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Okay, let's draw the diagram again. Let's draw the distribution of angle again. What have we practiced? 0, 90, 180, 270 degree. This is practiced. Yes or no? Yes. The line started with what are the most important angles? What are the most important angles? 30, 45, 60. Again, if I draw that 30, 45, 60. From here, how will I get 90 plus 30? 120, you know the drill. 120, 135, next 150. Again, you know the drill. 180 plus 30, 210, 225. Again, 240. From here, 300. Again, what will be that? 315, 330. This will be 360. This much you know how to do. This much you can write. If you cannot write this diagram, I please ask you to watch the video again, and continuing the video has no sense in it. You have to remember how to write this. Now, you need to convert all these angles into radians in this frame. How to convert? Wherever you find into pi by 180. So that means 30 means 30 into pi by 180. So pi by 6. So this will become pi by 6 radians. Again 45 into 18 pi by 180. How much will be that? Pi by 4. 41 is 4 4s are. So this will become pi by 4. What will happen to 60? 60 into pi by 180. How much will be that? Pi by 3. Again 90 into pi by 180. 90 into pi by 180. How much is that? Pi by 2. So this will be pi by 2. So same thing, can you do this for 120, 135, 150, 180, 210, 225, 240, 230, 300, 315, 360 and 360. Now pause the video, try all of that. Pause the video, try it. Pause the video, try this. Video pause ಮಾಡಿ, try to find how much pi by 2 means how many radians. Try it now. Pause the video. I hope you have tried. So 120 into pi by 180. How much is that? 2 get cancelled. So 6 2s are 6 3s are 2 pi by 3. So this is 2 pi by 3. 120 degrees 2 pi by 3. Again 135 degree. 135 degree into pi by 180. How will you solve? 5 2s are 10 35. 5 7s are 35. 5 2s are 10. Sorry, 5 3s are 15. 5 6s are 30. Yes or no? Again 3 9s are 27. 3 1s are 3 3s are 3 2s are. Again 3 3s are 3 4s are 3 pi by 4. So this is 3 pi by 4. What about 150 degree? 150 into pi by 180. 0 0 cancel. 5 3s are 5 will not know. 3 5s are 3 6s are 5 pi by 6. So this will become 5 pi by 6. 180 is how much? 360 means 2 pi. 360 means 2 pi. So 180 degree will be pi. So this will be how much? Pi. Again 210 degree. I hope you have to try all of this. You should be capable of writing in terms of radians because radians is more used. So 210. How much is 210? 210 into pi by 180. 0 0 cancel. 3 7s are 3 6s are. So 7 pi by 6. 225. Again you can solve 225 into pi by 180. You can solve all of the terms. You can solve yes or no. You can write it in radians. Yes or no? Yes. This is 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 3s are 15, 5 6s are 30. Again it goes by what? 3. 3 1s are 3 5 3 5s are 15, right? Again 3 1s are 3 2s are 3 5s are 3 6s are. So 5 pi by 6. 5 pi by 6. How much is 240 degree? 240 into pi by 180. 6 4s are 6 3s are 4 pi by 3. How much is 270 degree? 270 degree. Did you calculate 270 degree? 270 into pi by 180. 0 0 cancel. 6 3s are 9 3s are 27, 9 2s are 18. So 3 pi by 2. Again 300 degrees. 300 into pi by 180. So 0 0 cancel. And 3 10s are 3 6s are 2 5s are 2 3s are 3 pi by 4. 315 degree again. 315, 330 and 360 degrees 2 pi. So these two you can calculate and write like this. Yes or no? I will do 330 degree. 330 into pi by 180. So 0 0 cancel. 3 11s are 3 6s are. So 11 pi by 6. Again 330 degrees. 11 pi by 6. 315 degree. Can you solve all of this like this? Yes or no? Converting from degree to radians. Can you do it? Can you do it? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, you can convert now from degree to radians. And most important you should be knowing is 30 degrees pi by 6, 45 degrees pi by 3, pi by 4, 60 degrees pi by 3, 90 degrees pi by 2, 0 is 0. These things you should know. You see, remember, easy to remember. Just see here, if there is 3, denominator will be 6. So 6, denominator will be 3. 4 means 4 will be on denominator. And 90 is 180 degrees pi, so 90 will be pi by 2. You can remember, these 3 are important. 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. These are important. 0, pi by 6, pi by 4, pi by 3 and pi by 2. These are important. Why they are important? In the next frame we will see that. Okay? Okay, see here, I told you there are 3 most important angles. 0 and 90 degree we know. 30, 45, 60. Just remember 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. 0 is 0, 30 is pi by 3 is there means 6. Pi by 4 is there means 4 only. Pi by 6 means 3. Pi by 2. These are radians. You should remember. You should remember this. Okay. There are some more numbers to be remembered. What is that? Okay, you should remember these numbers. It is 0, 1. 0, 1. And next is again 1, 1, 3. 0, 1, 1, 1, 3. And here by 2, by root 2, root 3 by 2. Again 0, 1, 1, 1, 3. By 2, by root 2, root 3 by 2. You should remember these things. What is that? 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 3. By 2, by root 2, root 3 by 2. You can remember? You can remember? Yes. It is for sin theta. For cos theta, reverse everything it is. 1, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. Remember table, just remember the table, just remember the table. This much is in, this much you can do. Yes or no? Yes or no? These many numbers you should know, that's it. Is that okay? Okay. So in the next class, we'll be continuing from here. You should remember this much. What is that? 0, 1, 1, sorry, 0, 1, 1, 1, 3. By 2, by root 2, root 3 by 2. 0, 1, 1, 1, 3. By 2, by root 2, root 3 by 2. For cos it is reverse. This much you should remember. Hey guys, if you like the way that we teach, please do share this video with your PU friends, PU junior, PU pursuing any relative that you can find, so that you can help them in the most difficult times of learning. We are making these videos so that we can help as many as PU students as possible. Thanks for watching. All the very best. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel and comment your doubts. We'll respond to that. All the very best.